Question 16 in our according بيقول لحضرتك عندك graph عندي 2 points A and the point B. Find the equation of the straight line L that passes through A and B. To find the equation of the straight line L احنا عندنا the equation of a straight line y equal mx plus c. Now we have to find the value of m, the gradient, and the value of c, the y-intercept. To find the gradient we have 2 points x و y وعندي تاني x و y. يبقى أنا بعمل 5 minus negative 3 over negative 6 minus negative 2. على كالكوليتر حضرتك دي هتطلع 8 ودي هتطلع negative 4 so the slope is negative 2. To find the value of c, c equal y minus mx. y minus mx, y is I will choose negative 6 and 5. y equals 5 minus m equal negative 2 and the value of x is negative 6. 5 minus 12 is equal to negative 7. So we can write now the equation of the straight line y equal negative 2x minus 7. This is the equation of the required straight line. Find the equation of the line that is perpendicular to L and passes through the origin. The equation of the line perpendicular to L, the gradient equal negative 2, so the gradient of perpendicular is equal to half. We have to find the additive multiplicative inverse. We have to find the reciprocal and to change the sign. The slope of perpendicular is equal to half, so the equation of the new straight lines y equal mx plus c, y equal half x plus 0. 0 because the line is passing through the origin point. So it cuts y-axis at the point 0. We can write now y equal half x. Thank you.